hi, thank you for watching this video, and hope you've watched it until the end. So this is about one of my upcoming projects. I'm a very talk a lot, loud, yet a little bit shy, and sometimes a bit emotional kid. And because of that, there's a lot of up and downs moment in my life. And I've been really lucky to have a lot of friends, families, and even random people who always be there to help me, and try to make my day a little bit better. And so, having received so much, I really want to pay it forward, give it to some other people, pay it back to the people who have given me a lot of love and shared with, even the people that I don't know as well. So, like for example, I really remember the time when this random person on downtown LA, who gave me a poncho for free because it was raining. And when my friends tagged me on a photo to remind me that I'm still remembered by her and friends overseas, or when my boyfriend and my mom's being very understanding no matter how bitchy I become. So this Friday, tomorrow, will be my compassion day, where it's part of my social psychology course, where we try to be as compassionate as possible for one day. For me, I'll just keep it simple. I'll just be nice. I'm just doing something nice to someone. For example, calling up my parents who I haven't talked to a long time, trying to be understanding with other people, trying to understand what sort of problem people facing and help them if possible, and then do something nice. Give a random act of kindness, like give people flower, or pay for somebody's meal, or give someone a T-shirt if they can't afford it. I'm sure that you have these kind of people in your life who make you feel very happy. So why don't you join me? Do something nice. Just one thing. Just one thing's nice to somebody on Friday. And and I'm sure that make you feel really, really happy. The other person happy and you happy as well. So I always think that if you want to change the world, right? You change one thing at a time. And I can't control anything else. I can't control people's life. I can only control my life. Because of that, for the one thing that I would like to change, I would like to change my life. If I make myself happier, that means I already changed the world a little bit. And if I make myself happier by making other people happier, by helping them, that means I'm helping 1+ person on this planet. And I hope that you do the same thing as well. So if you decide to come and join me, do something nice on Friday, and then maybe post it up on this page, One Life on Facebook, and share your story. Thank you. Bye.